So you want to learn how to add Facebook Messenger to your website? Well, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step exactly how you can go about doing that. So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and minimize my camera and we're gonna jump right into today's content. All right, so you can see we are here on my Facebook profile. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you step by step through the process. Now, what I highly recommend that you do is while you're actually watching this video, implement it now. I feel that's one of the best ways for you to understand how something actually works. All right, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna type in the search. I'm gonna type my name and I'm gonna go over there to my Facebook business page. All right, so I'm here on my Facebook business page. Let me go ahead and click it. All right, so give it a few minutes. Okay, so this is my Facebook business page, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here and we're gonna go down to where it says settings and we're gonna click on settings. All right, so the next step is to click on messaging. Okay, so now on the messaging screen, we're gonna go ahead and scroll down until we see where it says add messenger to your website. Then we're gonna click on get started. All right, so this is what's gonna pop up at the top. You see it says set up chat plugin. So from here, we're gonna go ahead and click on next. All right, so it's a couple different things you wanna make sure you pay attention, especially on this part right here. All right, so the first thing you're gonna see is choose a default language. So I speak English, so I'm gonna keep it on English, but whatever language, whatever language you speak, you wanna go ahead and choose that language. All right, or the people who you're gonna be targeting, you wanna go ahead and choose that language, all right? All right, so here in this box, it says create your greeting message. So in here, you can go ahead and click on change. And then you could put whatever it is that you want your live chat to actually say when people are actually visiting your website. So that part will be up to you. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click save. We're gonna leave it exactly how it is. And then at the bottom, it says let people chat as a guest. So let's say, for instance, you want people to actually be communicating through their messenger, right? You don't want them to be able to chime in through a guest. Then you could actually turn this off, right? So you see over here to the right, you see how it's just saying continue as. So for them, what will happen is it'll say continue as, and then it'll log them into their messenger account. All right, that's if you keep guest mode off. But if you want guest mode on where they don't have to be chimed in, you could just turn it back on. I'm gonna leave it on for this video purposes, but we're gonna go ahead and move on. All right, so I'm gonna hit next. All right, so the next thing is you can actually change the color. Like over here, you see how this is blue? You could actually go over here and change the color to, I think that's teal, red, pink, right? You can change it to whatever color you want. I'm just gonna leave it on the standard color. Once again, that'll be something that'll be up to you. You can kind of match it to your brand colors or whatever it is that you wanna do. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and continue. All right, so now on this next part, you want to make sure that you're paying close attention, all right? So you can see right now, right, I have a website that's already in there because I already did this, right? So the website you want to put in here is the website that you're actually trying to use and have the live chat on. You want to go ahead and put that website in there exactly as it is. Then you're going to hit save. Okay, so since I already did it, I'm not going to hit save, but that's what you're going to do. All right, so then you want to come over here like this. You want to copy the code after you've put the website in there, right? Put the website in there first and then copy the code. Now you can see right here it says I'll install the code by myself, right? Go ahead and use that. It's real simple to do. I'm about to show you exactly how to make that happen. Or if you got a developer or some type of team, you can literally just click email instructions to your developers. That's up to you. But we're going to do install the code by yourself. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to go over to whatever, whether you're using HTML website, whatever it is that you're using, you want to go over to that platform and then you want to find a custom code. All right, so I'm using NowSite. Nowsite is a tool that can help you in every aspect of your business. So if that sounds like something that interests you after you watch this, if you see value in using this tool, I have a full playlist down below. Literally, I go over literally all the things that you could be using, you could be leveraging Nowsite for, all right? So check that playlist out if you want to check it out, all right? All right, so let's continue. All right, so the first thing we're going to do inside of Nowsite marketing is we're going to go ahead and over here to the left side and we're going to click on websites. All right, so now you can see these are different websites that I've built inside of here. But real quickly, before I go into it, I want to show you the finished product. So this is the website that I actually had in there where I actually already had it installed. So you see down here at the bottom, you see the live chat right there. So if a person comes over to this site, let's say they're on here and they're seeing all the information that they want, right? And then they see this and then they click it. This is how it's actually going to appear. So boom, we got the chat on our website. So, you know how people come to a website and they're like, maybe they actually want to speak to somebody at that specific moment. They could actually just chime in through their messenger and reach out, right? That right there, it pretty much like, it kind of warms them up even more, especially if they can actually speak to you. All right, so that right there is key. All right, so yeah, this is how it's going to look. This is your actual page will show up. And then right here, if I were to go like this, I could just switch accounts, right? This is acting as if I was the person that's coming through and actually trying to chat. All right, so this is what it'll look like for them. And then of course, if I were to continue as Rakeem, then boom, you could just they can message you right there. All right, so that is how simple this process is. Let me go ahead and pull it back. So that's how it will look. Now let's actually go and show you how to set it up. So I'm going to go to the same one. Go ahead and click on that website. All right, so this is the one that I actually put on, this same website over here. Now, how did I do it? So I clicked on edit website. I then went down to code snippet. I pasted the snippet over here. As you can see that little open space, I already have one there. That's why you can see it's just like a whole bunch of space in between there. So boom, I put it in there and then I pasted it in here and then I hit OK. Okay, but I'm gonna show you how it actually looks. Let me go ahead and hit cancel and then I'll go ahead and click. So you see right over here is the same code over here from my Facebook business page, the same exact code. I pasted it in there and as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so that is how simple you can do it. Yes, I was using Nowsite. I've been using Nowsite for a couple years now. But yeah, that is how you do it. Hopefully this was, this video was valuable. And if you did get value from it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful or valuable. And like I said earlier, if you want to learn more about Nowsite, I put a full playlist down below. You can definitely check that out. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Until next time. Peace.